Dear students, this is exercise 1B, question number 1. It's book 2, 8th edition. The part 1 is on a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the y-axis. Draw the graph of each of the following functions for the values of x from 0 till 4. So what is given? We have given the 4 functions a, b, c, d. So one by one we are going to solve. First of all, we are going to solve the part A. It's y is equals to 2x plus 8. So we have to take the values of x from 0 till 4 and then we have to find out the values of y. So I am writing first equation over here. Y is equals to 2x plus 8. And see, I have made a table for the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first I am taking the value of x as 0. I am writing same equation again, and in place of x I will write 0. Same equation, only in place of x I have written the value of x 0. So y is equals to 2 zeros are 0 plus 8, y is equals to 8. So the value of when x is 0, y is equals to 8. Again I am writing same equation, y is equals to 2x plus 8. And y is equals to, in place of x now I have to use 1, so I am writing 1 in place of x plus 8. Y is equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 8, y is equals to 10. So when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 10. Again I am solving same equation, 2x plus 8. In place of x now we have to take the value of x as 2. So I have written same equation, only in place of x I have added 2. And now y is equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 4. Sorry, I have written 8. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. So when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 12. Now y is equals to 2x plus 8, same equation again, and in place of x I have to write 3. See, I am using 3 over here. So y is equals to 2 3s are 6 plus 8, y is equals to 14. So when the value of x is equals to 3, the value of y is 14. Now y is equals to 2x plus 8. Now in place of x I will use 4 plus 8. Same equation, only I have changed the value of, I have entered the value of x as 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 8. So y is equals to 16. We have got 5 values of y. So when the value of x is 0, so the value of y is 8. When value of x is 1, y is 10. When the value of x is 2, so the value of y is 12. When the value of x is 3, the value of y is 14, and when the value of x is 4, so the value of y is 16. So we have just entered the values as given in the question, that we have to enter the values from 0 to 4, and we have got the values of y. Now we are going to sketch the graph of the given values. So now come to the graph. See, we have to make the graph when the value of x is, I am taking colored pen to show you clearly. When the value of x is 0, so the value of y is 8. So go to x-axis. On x-axis 0 is this point. So we are going in the line 0 and we are going up. Here is 8. When the value of x is 0, value of y is 8. I am marking this point. Now when the value of x is 1, so the value of y is 10. I am marking this as well. In the line of x on 1 on x-axis, I am going to y-axis on point 10. I have marked this point. Now when the value of x is 2, so the value of y is 12. So come to the 2 on x-axis and 12 on y-axis. So this is the point 2 on x-axis, and see, you can see clearly this is 12 on y-axis. When the value of x is 3, so the value of y is 14. So I am taking this point. See, this is 3 on x-axis and 14 on y-axis. Mark this point. And when the value of x is 4, so the value of y is 16. So I am taking this point. This is 16 on y-axis and 4 on x-axis. So take this point. I am joining these points to get a line. See, so we have done part A of this question. Now move to part B. It is y is equals to 2x plus 2. So now we have to take the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and again solve the equation. It's very easy. Y is equals to 2. In place of x I am writing 0 plus 2. Same equation, only I am changing the value of x. So y is equals to 0 plus 2. Y is equals to 2. We have done first part. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 2. Okay. Now y is equals to 2x plus 2. In the same equation, now I am taking the value of x as 1. See, in place of x I have written 1 and I am solving all the equation again as it is. So the value of y is 4. When the x is equals to 1, value of y is 4. Again writing same equation. Now in place of x I am writing 2. So y is equals to 2, 2s are 4 plus 2 and y is equals to 6. So the value of y is, when x is 2, y is 6. Again same, only we have to change the place of x. In place of x we have to write the value of x. Now I am writing 3 in place of x. 2 3s are 6 plus 2, y is equals to 8. So here 8. And now this is the last part. In place of x again we have to write the value of x. This is 4 plus 2, y is equals to 2 4s are 8 plus 2, y is equals to 10. So we have done second part as well. Now move to graph. We have to draw the graph of this part. So what is the first point? When the value of x is 0, so the value of y is 2. I am changing the color of my pen to show you clearly. When x is 0, y is equals to 2. So I am taking this line and I am marking this point. Now when the value of x is 1, y is equals to 4. On x-axis I am taking 1 and on y-axis, see this is y-axis, I am taking 4. When value of x is 2, value of y is 6. When the value of x is 2, so the value of y is 6. And when the value of x is 4, so the value of y is, we haven't done 3. When the value of x is 3, so the value of y is 8. So on this line, this is the 3 on x-axis and 8 on y-axis. And when the value of x is 4, so the value of y is 10. So on x-axis I am taking 4 and on y-axis I am taking 10. I have marked all the points. Now I am making a line to join these points. This is line. So we have done second part, part B. Now move to part C. What is part C? This is y is equals to 2x minus 3. Okay. Y is equals to, in place of x, again we have to use the value of x. This is 0. So I am taking 0 in place of x and writing same equation as it is. Y is equals to 0 minus 3, y is equals to negative 3. When x is 0, y is negative 3. Y is equals to 2x minus 3. Again doing same. Only in place of x I am writing the value of x. So now I have taken 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 3. So this is greater number sign. Plus minus is minus and the sign of greater number. So the answer is negative 1. Now move to third part. 2x minus 3. Y is equals to 2. In place of x I am taking the value of x as 2. So y is equals to 2. 2 is 4 minus 3. Y is equals to 1. When x is 2, y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 2x minus 3. y is equals to 2. In place of x I am taking 3. 3 minus 3, y is equals to 6 minus 3, y is equals to 3. So when x is 3, y is also 3. And this is the last part, 2x minus 3. Now in place of x we have to take the 4. This is the value of x. Now y is equals to 2 4s are 8 minus 3 and y is equals to 5. So now come to the graph of this part. So I am making the graph now. Okay, so the first point is when x is equals to 0, y is equals to negative 3. So I am taking x is 0 and negative 3 means downside of the y-axis. So it is negative 3 is over here. I am marking this point. I have changed the color of my pen to show you clearly the lines of each part. This is part A in red color. This is B. Now we are solving part C. And the second point is when x is 1, y is negative 1. When x is 2, y is 1. So on 2 from x-axis and 1 from y-axis I am taking this. When x is 3, y is also 3. So see, x is 3 and y is also 3. I am marking this point. And when x is 4, y is equals to 5. So from 4 from x-axis and 5 from y-axis I have marked this point. We have successfully marked all the points. Now I am making a line to show you clearly part C. So we have made the line and this is part C. Now move to the last part. This is part D. What is the question? Y is equals to 2x minus 6. So let's solve. Y is equals to 2. We are using the value of x is 0 because it is given in the question the range of the values of x 0 till 4. Now y is equals to 2 zeros are 0 minus 6, y is equals to negative 6. When x is 0, y is negative 6. Again solving the same equation, and now the value of x would be 1 in place of 1. X I am writing in place of x I am writing 1. Y is equals to 2 minus 6, y is equals to negative 4. Now y is equals to 2x minus 6, y is equals to 2 in place of x I am writing 2 minus 6, y is equals to 4 minus 6, so it is minus 2. When x is 2, y is also negative 2, so y is equals to 2x minus 6. When x is 3, now I am checking the value of y is equal to 6 minus 6, so the value of y is 0. When x is 3, so the value of y is 0. And this is the last part. Y is equals to 2. In place of x, I am writing 4. Y is equals to 8 minus 6 and y is equals to 2. So I am writing 2 over here. Now let's sketch the graph of the fourth part. Okay. See, this is the graph. What is the value given over here? It is when 0 on x-axis, the value of y is minus 6. So I am marking this point. This is 0 on x-axis and negative 6 on y-axis. Now when 1 on x-axis, negative 4 on y-axis. So 1 on x-axis negative means downside of the graph. And this is minus 4. When 2 on x-axis, this is negative 2 on y-axis. So 2 on x-axis and negative 2 means downside on y-axis. When 3 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis, 3 on x-axis, this is the line of x-axis, this is 0. So we have to mark the point on the axis. And when 4 on x-axis, 2 on y-axis. When 4 on x-axis, this is 2 on y-axis. So now I am joining this line to solve. This is done part D. So we have done all the parts. So see what is the final answer. Now come to the part 2. What is it? What do you notice about the lines you have drawn in the part 1? So can you see what we can see, the lines are parallels. Each line have equal distance between them. So these lines are parallel lines. So the answer of the part 2 would be, we can write down over here, they are parallel lines. So we have done question number 1. Thanks for watching my video.